Hey everyone, I was wanting to do a quick review today on Wildgrain. It's a subscription box. They offer pastas, pasta sauces, butter, bread of all types, desserts. They have pastries, which is one of my favorite. They have all kinds of different products. This right here is the chocolate croissants. This is one of my favorites that they have. And I've already got my oven preheating to 380. These have only got to bake about 18 to 22 minutes. They come just like this in the pack here. You just put them out on a baking sheet on some parchment paper and bake them, and they come out looking so good. They're really, really delicious. I've been using Wildgrain now for probably over a year. I don't get a subscription box every month, but I've gotten in that time probably 5 to 6 subscription boxes. I've tried a little bit of all their products. I've tried a lot of their pastries, the pasta, the bread. I have their French churned butter in my fridge right now. It has a wonderful taste. Everything that I've gotten from them so far has been super quick, easy to bake or prepare, and they all taste great. So I am going to get a video now. This is the before product, and I want to show you how simple it is and how they look when they come out. They look like you've just bought them from a French pastry store or a bakery. They look so good, taste so fresh. It really tastes like something that you've made and cooked in your kitchen from scratch. But I will be back with the second part here, and I will show you the after product. They look so great when they come out, and they're so delicious. But I definitely can't recommend Wildgrain enough. And again, this is a non-sponsored review. I bought this with my own money. They are not paying me to say anything. They have not given me anything or any products for free. This is just a honest product review that is non-sponsored. And I really, really cannot recommend them enough. I love the Wildgrain subscription box. I really wished I could afford to get them multiple times a month because they're so great. The chocolate croissants is definitely a favorite of mine to eat with tea, coffee, or a glass of milk. They're great for in the morning with coffee. And also just all their products that I've tried so far has been delicious. They even have pasta. They have pizza now. All kinds of breads. And everything is just fresh and home baked from scratch. But yeah, I really can't recommend them enough. I'm going to show you a video. The rest of the video will be the after product, or after. These are baked here. And I want to show you what they look like after they come back out. Alright? Alright, we're back, and this is the after. As you can see, they've puffed up and browned nicely. You see the chocolate coming out on the ends. And these are so, so good. I'm going to let these sit here and cool for about 5 to 10 minutes. And then I'm going to probably have one for a snack. But I wanted to show you the after here of how good they look after they come out. They are fresh baked and they look homemade. And again, I can't recommend Wildgrain enough. This is my honest, unsponsored review of Wildgrain subscription boxes. I can't recommend them enough. Everything tastes good that I've gotten from them so far. And here you go. Here's the results to show you and prove it here. And please be sure to subscribe, like, and comment. If you want more honest product reviews, please subscribe below. Thank you.